What if you could bring a virtual world on the Quest 2 into a real-world environment in full arena-scale combat like laser tag? Well, the newest update from Space Pirate Trainer, that's exactly what you can do.
In this brand new free update for Space Pirate Trainer, you're going to get the brand new Arena mode. This allows you to jump with a friend into a full arena scale environment and fight against each other 1v1 with laser blasters. You will need a 10 meter by 10 meter space, which is about 30 feet by 30 feet, but as I'm going to illustrate in this video, you can use an outdoor space like a basketball court, and you can connect to a mobile device with a mobile hotspot, and it barely used any data at all, and I had both quests connected to the same hotspot. I jumped in with my friend Wit, and we had an absolute blast playing this game and running around after each other, well, in virtual reality.
The key things to know: you can use this outside as long as you do it not in direct sunlight, like at the end of the day today, or if it's super overcast. And you need to be connected to the internet, but you can use a mobile device with a mobile hotspot, and it works amazingly well. Let's check out some gameplay right now. Secret lab. Let's do the secret lab. That's going to move the teleportation unit over here, waiting for players. Are we ready to go in? You can go to the same one? No, you can go to the one right behind us, and that'll start you over there. All right, we're ready? Yeah, walk right into that. All right, we're loaded in. Match is starting in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, no. Ah, oh, you hit me. Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh, you hit me again. Ah, come on. Oh, did I hit you? No, I didn't. Oh! Huh. Oh! Just around the corner. Oh, no, you did it. You beat me. Here we go. I gotta win something. Oh, crap. Oh, got me too. Yeah. Oh, got you that time. Where'd you go? Oh, you scared me. What do you think so far?
This is fun.
It's really cool, isn't it? Yeah. All right, you go in that one, I'll go in this one. All right, initializing in. Here we go. All right. Oh. Oh, trying to snipe me through the holes. Oh boy. Oh. I got you. Oh no, you got me. Oh, there you are. Oh, you got me again.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see how the scope works.
I forgot I had a scope. Oh no, you got me. I forgot you can actually change the weapons. Let's change the blasters this time around.
All right, cool.
So what you want to do if you want to change your weapon, shoot that thing that says manage over there.
Man, oh.
It'll bring up a little menu on your left hand. If you bring,
Oh, I see. Okay.
see the gun icon?
Yeah.
Hit that, shoot that, and then you can choose your weapon. I'm gonna do a lava. Oh, you can test it too.
Oh,
Ooh, okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You can also change your outfit too if you want.
okay.
Thrills, mosquito. Oh, some of these are creepy looking. Oh, there you are. Oh no, you got me. Oh no. Oh, I got you.
Oh, not here.
Oh. Oh, I got you just barely. Oh, you sniped me from the back. Oh no. What did I do? Oh, you shot me. I wandered into a pole.
Come back.
Yeah. For your shooting?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Do you want to do that?
I think I'll be good.
Okay. Are you left-handed?
Left side dominant.
Oh, okay. Ah, okay. We can switch it after, but that's a good thing to bring up for the video, actually. Ah, gotcha. You should be able to switch it. Oh! Oh, no, you got me. Oh, yeah, there you are. Gosh, oh, you got me too.
Oh, you got me, really?
Yeah.
Let me spawn here.
Oh, you got me. Oh, no. Yep, you can. Okay, hit the gear and then go to handedness and switch it to left if you want left. Yep, and that's on your left hand. And then you go to the gear. Yep. Yep. Yeah. There you go. Hey, perfect. There we go. Perfect. So you can switch it from left hand to right-handedness, which is good. Okay, now I'm really gonna die. Oh, you can wave too. It's backwards though. It's throwing me off. You can jump too. There you go. No leg tracking. All right, here we go. We're in the scrapyard, I think this one's called now. Oh, you're coming up behind me? Oh, no.
Wait, no, I'm dead too.
Oh, you are?
So,
It does. The health is at the bottom of the screen.
oh, I see.
You got 3 hits, and we both got 1 down. The HUD is actually pretty cool because it's not super intrusive. Oh! I'm glad you don't have the camera do what it does to your body because it literally throws you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the ragdoll physics just throws you. I got you that time. There you go. There is some gameplay and information on the brand new Space Pirate Arena update for the Quest 2 with Arena Mode. I gotta say, it's pretty revolutionary and amazing to play with regular locomotion, not using a stick, with a friend in a place like this, and being able to use a mobile phone as a hotspot and have 2 quests connected to the same mobile phone and work perfectly is pretty amazing. Check out the game on the Quest Store at the link down in the description, and if you want to get the most out of your Quest and your Quest 2, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon for notifications. And you can check out even more of my videos right over there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and happy questing. And I'm going to go play some more Space Pirate Arena.